day. Oh my god, it seems like I have not picked my camera or my phone for the longest time to do vlogging. I don't know why, but I've got like other content I've done before, but it's like 2 weeks or so I haven't been vlogging the way I used to. I don't want to get out of the momentum. So you can see my makeup is on check. So I've been doing some filming today. I'm a little bit tired, so I'm just cooking. So I've done some reels, I've done some videos. So the videos, like some of the content I've done for YouTube, I have not finished them. So I've picked my kids up from school, so I'm just making dinner. So I'm making meatball pasta. Then afterwards I'll continue my content. I'll try to wrap it up as much as possible. Because anyway, let me go show you guys what I'm cooking. Cooking some meatball. It's a meatball day today. Are you okay, guy?
Yeah, I'm okay. It's very.
Here we go. So this is the meatball that I am cooking. It seems like I used 2 packs of my meatball. So this meatball, I bought it from my local butcher. If I knew, I think I would have used just 1 pack. But anyway, I could always put in the freezer. And it seems like this pan that I've used is not big enough. I should have used a bigger pan. I don't know. I don't like swapping. Otherwise, you know, the washing up afterwards. Well, I'm just looking at the sauce. It's quite a lot now. I'm a bit tired. I think I deserve a cup of tea. Sorry. So guys, I just went shopping and I just brought actually. I didn't go shopping. My husband that went shopping, like, don't fake it. He wants his credit that he has done this shopping. So he just came back from doing shopping. So we got some really nice fresh veg as usual. Yeah, and he's still kind of unpacking there. So he's still unpacking. So, oh yes, recently I'm into soup now. So this is red lentils. I really like this soup. This is not the one that we had the other day. We had the one with coconut. Oh, this is another. I haven't had this one before. I know, but this one looks nice though. Yeah, okay, it's all right. And what else again? I think my husband bought this beef. Oh, this is the Wagyu beef. Apparently it's really nice and tender. It's really nice. So we're going to try this one on a burger. Let's see. So what else? More things are still here. So these are eggs. So the Doshi egg is really good. So this is a big shop you've done on. Well done. So how is my? So basically, guys, you know I was telling you about the saucepan. I actually changed it to this bigger one. So my meatball is just like cooking really nicely. A lot of snacks, a lot of things. Yeah, I'll just show you. A lot of snacks. As we're going to be eating these snacks, that's how we'll be doing exercise to burn all these calories. Oh, this is coffee, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I love this with yogurt. It goes so well. Yeah. This is our flour to make bread. Yeah. So this is our bread. The flour that we use to make our bread. The taste is really good. So how come this one is different, huh?
White.
Ah, okay, that's white. Sorry, I didn't even bother to read the label. Hi, good morning, guys. How you guys doing? So I just came to my local town center. So we're just looking at camera. We're just looking at like doing window shopping, looking at cameras here. So I don't know if I should sell. I don't know if I should sell the camera that I currently have and maybe swap it with something here. So this is what we're just thinking about. So yeah, basically. So I'm just going to check the shop. I'll go for breakfast. I'm actually quite hungry this morning. I haven't had breakfast. I think there's a Gill cafe here that I'm just going to go to. So should we go? Huh? Yeah. So. Whoopsie. So we're just going to go
where you're going,
yeah, I'm just going to go to Gill's or whatever this place is called and have breakfast. They have really nice pastry and things like that. It's quite busy. So this is my breakfast. There's watercress, there's salmon. It looks so good though. So I'm having this. So I'm having this with latte. Is that do you know which is which, huh?
I think that's the latte.
That's the latte, thank you. So, latte. What are you having?
Cappuccino.
I can't tell the difference. So which is cappuccino, which is
I
latte?
think that's cappuccino. It's a bit more coffee in it.
Yeah. Baby.
I think that's latte. Oh, no, I'm not sure.
I think they should have marked it.
Exactly. It's not that warm, either.
Quite hard. Is it meant to be like that?
Bagels are, well, they're relatively hard.
Is it? Oh, I think it's more like brioche sort of thing.
Yeah.
Basically, guys, I did not enjoy this bagel salmon thing. So the bread is this bagel. I don't know if this is what bagel is. I don't. It's not for me then. You know, I thought I would give it a go. I would try bagel, but this is too hard. The bread, look, can you see? It's so hard. Chewing it is so difficult to chew. I don't know if it's because the bread itself is stale or if this is what bagel is like. So do let me know if you've had this kind of thing before. But I didn't really enjoy it. I could have stick with my croissant. I like this dressing gown. This is nice. So soft. You know what? This shop, I don't really come into this shop that much. White company. Everything is gorgeous. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is nice. I forgot my face mask. Why don't you put your face mask on? I forgot my face mask. If I see yeah. Oh my god, I love their bedding. Look. Oh, this bedding is really not we spent a lot of time. No, this is 200 thread. It's a good cotton. Oh my god, yes. I think definitely, yeah, I'll come here to treat ourselves to a nice bedding. And I want to buy the Mr. and Mrs. thing.
Yes.
Yeah. This pajamas is so pretty. So on this Mr. and Mrs. This one is nice to be like in the bed. And I do like this embroidered border thing that they've used. How much is it? Oh, okay, that's 25 for the pillowcase. Oh, it's pretty, isn't it? Mr. and Mrs. Really nice joke to be on the bed. Yes, I've got 55 things taken for you. Two. Right, I don't know. Oh, I see. With you. Oh, look how large this blanket. This blanket is. So I'll just quickly show you guys what I'm putting on. So this is me. So I just brought this my jacket out. Oh, I forgot my face mask. I just asked one of the lady here if they've got spare face mask. And she was just like, oh, you know, you don't have to wear it. I was just like, I actually feel much better if I do. And she just went back to go look for face mask for me. Hopefully she will get something, I don't know. But I just feel much better if I can. Such a beautiful shop. I don't know why I don't come to this shop that often. White company. It's round. Such a beautiful, the display, everything is just like so. Oh, God bless you. Thank you so much. Oh my God. You found for me. See? You found. So the thing is that, yeah, I could be comfortable not putting on face mask. Other people around me, they might be just like, oh no, I don't want that. They might not be comfortable, you know. So this is the reason why I prefer to put my face mask on, so that I'll make other people comfortable. Oh, look at this mirror. Honey, come and take a selfie with me in the shop.
Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Oh, snap. Nice top. How much are they? Oh, they are 50% off. So we in this jewelry shop, just looking for some jewelry. My husband is here for a wristwatch, so they've got some really nice stuff. So I'm just going to kind of give you guys a glimpse of what they have here. Gosh, all these things are so freaking expensive, you know. So, my God, that one is 8 grand. What is men wristwatch? Cartier. I don't even know. I don't even like anyone. Maybe apart from this one. I like that one. But look at the price, 7,000. 7,000 something. I think this is the only one I like. But I don't know if it's a male wristwatch or a female one. How much is this one? This one's This is with diamond. Ooh. This one is a bit wide. How much is this one? Oh, it's like three grand. It's like my kind of thing. So really nice. A little pearl. It's not nice. A little pearl. Yeah. And look at this set. This is quite cute. Yeah. I'm going to be trying it. Oh, that's. Oh, your wristwatch is back. Oh, look, so cute. Yeah. I'm going to be trying a necklace on with a nice pearl in it because I worth it. We'll see. That's gorgeous. Just a little money. Your comic is very funny.
Anything planned for us for today? Are you going to wear the watch away today?
Yes, I will.
Yeah, so we'll get it all fixed up. Right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys, I thought I'd just quickly vlog in the car. We're just like at the fuel station. So at one point, we have not finished doing our shopping. You can really see that my husband has had enough. He's just like, you keep dragging me into some shops that we didn't plan to go. Now I've had enough. Which men, they don't have patience when it comes to shopping. I think they go to the high street, they will just have like one or two shop in mind. They will just do that. Ma'am, that's it, let's go. But I think I dragged this man into different shop. Oh, let's just quickly have a look here. Let's just quickly have a look. At the end of the day, you're just like, no, I'm going home. I've had enough. Hey guys, how you guys doing? I thought I'm just going to quickly vlog. Today is Valentine's Day and I'm just getting ready to go out. I think I have somebody here. Who is here? Hello! We're going to the restaurants this Valentine's Day. I'm going to show you like what I'm wearing, but I don't want to be late because usually I'm the one that is often late. So I think, what do I need to do again? I don't need to do much. I think we need to go. I'll just pop my shoes on. Let me switch on my lights. Like everybody's downstairs literally waiting for me. It seems like they came too early. So I'm just using this channel chance. I think that should be it. I'm not really putting any jewelry on. I think I'm just going to go like this. All I want